Hello everyone. Today I want to share a powerful and emotional story not of one person but of millions of farmers across India who work day and night to grow the food we eat. This is the real journey of how they grow rice in the rainy season, wheat in the winter, and how they face struggle after struggle just to feed the nation. Every year, as seasons change in India, farmers begin a new cycle of hard work filled with hope and struggle. Their life depends on two main crops, rice and wheat. These crops feed the country, but behind each grain there is a story of pain, patience, and silence, courage. In the month of July, when the sky fills with dark clouds and the monsoon begins, farmers get ready to grow rice. They wait for rain angrily because rice needs a lot of water. As soon as the first rain falls, they go to the field and start preparing the land. The fields are plowed and filled with water. Paddy seeds are soaked and grown into small saplings. After 15 to 20 days, these saplings are transplanted into muddy fields by hand. This work is back-breaking. Farmers stand in water for hours under the hot sun, bending over thousands of times to place each small plant into the soil. But even after this hard work, the result is not in their hands. Sometimes there is too much rain that floats the crop. Other times there is no rain and the plants dry up. If pests or disease come, the farmers must buy costly pesticides and fertilizers, often on loan. Still, they keep going with hope in their hearts. By October or November, the rice plants turn golden and are ready to harvest. Farmers cut them by hand or rent a machine if they can afford it. After drying and separating the grains, they carry their product to the market. But there a new struggle begins. The prices are low, middlemen take advantage, and farmers often get less money than they spent. Even before they can rest, the time to grow wheat begins in November and December. After clearing the rice stubble, they prepare the field again for wheat. Wheat doesn't need as much water as rice, but it still needs 2-3 ingredients. Farmers sow wheat seeds and take care of the field during cold winter days. They wake up early, work in the fog, and make sure weeds don't destroy their crop. From January to March, they check the growing plants every day, applying fertilizers or water when needed. Most small farmers don't have tubes, so they rent pumps or depend on old wells. Every step needs money, and still there is no guarantee. In March and April, when the wheat turns golden, it's time to harvest again. The process is the same: cutting, drying, storing, and going to the market. But sometimes, just before harvest, a storm or hail can destroy everything in minutes. Months of hard work gone, and no one to help. Yet, year after year, farmers repeat this cycle. They borrow money, take risk, work in harsh weather, and survive with very little. They don't ask for much, just a fair price and some respect. This is not the story of one farmer. It is the story of millions silent workers who feed the nation while struggling to feed their own families.